Hey everybody, so in this video I'm doing brows. I'm going to just record myself doing my everyday look that I usually do when I fill in my brows. And I find this technique very simple and easy, and it's a subtle look that just about anyone could wear. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. So after I use the brow brush to brush the brows, I fill them in with a pencil, and I also use the brow brush to blend. This technique is very simple, and it blends the brows so that they won't be so dramatic. The next step is concealer. I'll conceal the brows and make them have that freshly arched effect. Use mascara on a makeup brush just to fill in my brows a bit more, because I feel like it's like a cut crease effect for brows, and I don't know, it's just something that I do to like make them pop a bit more, and I do that lightly. And then I blend them with foundation with a makeup brush. I find this technique very flawless, and it makes it have that photo finish effect. So when I take a picture, my eyebrows will be the first thing you notice. And then after that, I just blend, blend, blend. And that is pretty much what I do. I'll blend that in with a makeup brush. So being the perfectionist that I attempt to be, I go back over it with a small brush and get all the finishing touches done. And then after that, I'll use a eyebrow blending brush to blend everything in and make it flawless, because I am super critiquing these brows. Like they have to look nice. So after that, that's it. And thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe. Bye.